Croy. Croy. Listen, come here. Santa's coming. Come here. He's upstairs on the roof. Who's he up there with? Rudolph? Listen.
That's Santa.
That's Santa. And what's Rudolph eating?
Apple.
Yeah. And what are you going to leave for Santa tonight?
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk.
Well, that's good. How about some cookies?
Chocolate milk.
And some cookies?
Cookies.
What kind of cookies?
Yellow.
Yellow ones? The kind Grandma made?
Yes.
Did you see cookies in Grandma's oven? Maddie? Yeah, Croy.
Huh?
Did Grandma show you cookies in the oven?
Yes.
Yes. They came from my oven, right? Even though they were in packets from the bakery.